Hello students, now we will see differentiation of function in other way. Logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic. Before we will start logarithmic differentiation, first of all see the law of log. Log base e m into n is equal to log base e m plus log base e n. Second, log base e m upon n is equal to log of m minus log of n. And third one is log base e m raised to n is equal to n log base e m. N log base e m. So these are the three formulas. Okay. Now logarithmic differentiation. What is logarithmic differentiation? See, we know differentiation of x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Clear? So x is variable and 2 is constant. Clear? Similarly, differentiation of a raised to x. A raised to x log base e a. Right? So a is constant and x is variable. Clear? So one value is variable, one is constant, or one is constant, second one is variable. But if we have to differentiate x raised to x, x raised to x, it means x is variable and this x is also variable. This is variable and this one is also variable. Clear? So we can't apply any formula, right? For this x should be in product form or divide form. Okay? So we have to shift. For this we have to take log, right? And apply any one formula, right? So the method is logarithmic differentiation means when the power of variable is also variable, then we have to apply logarithmic differentiation. That means the question is related to logarithmic differentiation. Now see the theory. Y is equal to fx raised to fx. That means fx is a function in the term of x and same function is in power. So we can say fx raised to fx, right? Now we have to shift this fx in a product form. So taking log on both the side, because we don't know the differentiation of fx raised to fx. Clear? Log y is equal to log of fx raised to fx. Log of fx raised to fx. Now log m raised to n is equal to n log m. N log n. So log y is equal to fx log fx, fx log fx. Okay, so we shift fx. Now fx is first function and log fx is second function. So differentiation with respect to x, differentiation with respect to x. So d by dx log y is equal to d by dx fx log fx. Clear? Now fx is first function, log fx is second function. Okay, now differentiation of log y with respect to x, differentiation of log y 1 upon y and dy by dx. मैंने आपको पहले बताया था कि जब भी y वाला फंक्शन रहेगा तो उसका जो भी डिफरेंशिएशन होता है वो कर दीजिए और उसके साथ dy by dx लगा दीजिए. सो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ log y 1 upon y dy by dx. Right? Now we can apply product rule. So product rule is first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Clear? Cross multiplication. So dy by dx is equal to y in bracket fx, y in bracket fx, d by dx log fx. Now we know the differentiation of log x, not log fx. So take fx as t, log t. Differentiation of log t with respect to t, 1 upon t. 1 upon t means 1 upon fx, 1 upon fx into d by dx fx. This fx as t. So d by dx fx plus d by dx fx is f dash x. We know that differentiation of fx is f dash x, differentiation of f dash x is f double dash x. Clear? So differentiation of fx is f dash x and log fx as it is, log fx as it is. fx cancel. Clear? So dy by dx is equal to, now put the value of y is equal to fx raised to fx, y is equal to fx raised to fx inside d upon dx fx, d upon dx fx, d upon dx fx f dash x plus f dash x log fx. Clear? Now we can take f dash x as common. So dy by dx is equal to f dash x fx raised to fx inside 1 plus log fx, 1 plus log fx. Clear? So we can take this one as a trick. See, dy by dx is equal to f dash x fx raised to fx 1 plus log fx. Clear? Again see, fx raised to fx taking log on both the side, पावर सामने आ गई, फिर इसे हमने प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाया, फर्स्ट फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ सेकंड प्लस सेकंड फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन, लॉग एफ एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 अपॉन एफ एक्स एफ डैश एक्स, तो एफ एक्स एफ एक्स कैंसिल, एफ एक्स का डिफरेंशिएशन एफ डैश एक्स और डी बाई डी एक्स एफ एक्स एफ डैश एक्स, फिर हमने एफ डैश एक्स का ले लिया कॉमन. ओके, तो ये होगी हमारी ट्रिक. जैसे एग्जाम्पल के लिए अभी लेते हैं क्वेश्चन. सो टेक वन एग्जाम्पल. So this is the theory. Okay, now see the question. Find the differential coefficient of log x raised to log x, log x raised to log x. Clear? See, so what we have to find? differentiation of log x raised to log x, right? Now this is variable and this one is also variable. So we can't differentiate. So first we have to take them as y. So let y is equal to log x raised to log x. Log x raised to log x. Now we have to shift this log x in product form. So taking log on both the side. Log on both the side. So log y is equal to log of log x raised to log x. Clear? So log m raised to n, तो ये पावर कहाँ जाएगी? सामने. So log y is equal to log x into log x. Log x into log x. Now log x is first function and log x is second function. Clear? So we can differentiate. So differentiation with respect to x. So in left hand side, dy dx log y is equal to d by dx in bracket log x into log x. Log x into log x. Clear? Now log x is first function, log x is second function. Differentiation of log y, again there is y, log y. So differentiation of log y is 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to. Now first function differentiation of second function plus second function differentiation of first function. Clear? Now cross multiplication. So dy by dx is equal to y in bracket log x. Clear? Into. Now take this log x as t, log t. Differentiation of log t with respect to t, 1 upon t. 1 upon t means log x because we take log x as t. So log t 1 upon t into d by dx log x. d by dx log x. जिसको t लेते हैं उसका बाद में क्या करते हैं? डिफरेंशिएशन. प्लस डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ log x is 1 upon x. So log x into 1 upon x. Okay. Now differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Y in bracket and this log x cancel. Now we have 1 upon x plus 1 upon x log x. Clear? So we can take 1 upon x as common. So y upon x 1 plus log x. Now put the value of y. The value of y is log x raised to log x. Inside 1 plus log x. So the differentiation of log x raised to log x is log x raised to log x in bracket 1 plus log x. Clear? Take one more question. And you can use trick. So our trick is dy by dx is equal to y in bracket 1 plus log fx, right? F dash x, sorry, outside there is f dash x in bracket 1 plus log fx. Clear? So the value, see the question, log x raised to log x. So put y as log x raised to log x. F dash x means differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. It means log x raised to log x upon x. Yes, inside 1 plus log fx. So 1 plus log and fx is log x, right? So we can use that formula as a trick in variable raised to variable. Clear? Now take one more question. Suppose we have the function cosec x raised to cosec x. Yes, cosec x raised to cosec x d by dx. Clear? Now, let y is equal to cosec x raised to cosec x. Let y is equal to cosec x raised to cosec x. Clear? Now, taking log on variable raised to variable means we have to take log on both the side. Log on both the side. So, log y is equal to log cosec x raised to cosec x. Log m raised to n log n. So, log y is equal to cosec x into log cosec x. Clear? Now, cosec x is first function and log cosec x as second function. That means now we are going to differentiate. So, differentiation with respect to x. So, d by dx log y, d by dx in bracket cosec x into log of cosec x. Now, cosec x is first function and log cosec x as second function. So, we can apply product rule, right? Differentiation of log y with respect to x is 1 upon y dy by dx. Now, apply product rule formula. First function differentiation of second function log cosec x plus second function log cosec x differentiation of cosec x cross multiplication. So, dy by dx is equal to y in bracket cosec x into taking this term as t log t, differentiation of log t with respect to t 1 upon cosec x into d by dx cosec x, because we have to differentiate cosec x also, plus log cosec x, and differentiation of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. So, there is negative sign and cosec x into cot x, cosec x into cot x, cosec x cancel, and differentiation of cosec x is again minus cosec x cot x. So, dy by dx is equal to y minus cosec x cot x, differentiation of cosec x, minus cosec x cot x log cosec x. Now, we can take minus cosec x cot x as common. So, dy by dx is equal to minus y. Yes, put the value of y. The value of y is cosec x raised to cosec x and taking minus cosec x cot x as common. So, there is negative sign already there. So, cosec x cot x. So, inside 1 plus, yes, we took minus cosec x cot x as common. So, 1 plus log cosec x. This is the answer. Clear? So, in this video we saw differentiation of logarithmic function. Why it is logarithmic function? Because we have given variable raised to variable. We know the differentiation of variable raised to constant or constant raised to variable, but not know variable raised to variable. For this, we have to take the function as y. That means we should have two sides, left hand side, right hand side. Then taking log on both the side, apply law of log and then apply product rule. Okay, and get the answer. Okay, so these are the questions. In next video, we will see some other questions. Thank you.